Welcome to Code Jogging. In our previous video, we looked at the use of math operator in C++. And we said that in this video, we are going to look at the math library in C++. Okay, so why do we need the math library? For example, if you want to create a simple calculator that can be used to calculate, let's say, area of a circle, definitely you will need you need pi, and then also you need power. So that's the exponent. With the help of the math library, we can use the exponent in C++. So what I'm trying to say is, let's delete this code, and we know that this is the formula that we can use to calculate the area of a circle. So let's say area of a circle, we can have pi r squared. Okay, so with this one we need, so it means that r raised to the power 2. Okay, and we can decide to do it this way, that but this is not the right way of doing it. So with the help of the math library, we can use the power, we can also use the floor, and then the ceil. Okay, so that's what we are going to look at in this video. So now, how can we use the math library in C++? First, we need to include it into our project. Okay, so how are you going to do that? First, we go to the second line, and as I've said in the previous video, is that your first line should be the hash include IOStream. So the second line here, since we are going to use a math library, we can then go for include, then the less than sign, then cmath. Yes, so this one means we've included our math library, and then we can go ahead and then use our math functions. We have a lot of functions that we can do with our math library, but in this video we are going to look at the power, and then the floor, and then the ceil. So that's what we are going to look at. So for now, let's create a variable like this. So we can have, let's change it to double so that we know how it works. We are going to use the floor. The floor means you are running it to the nearest whole number, but this one will be the down. So we are just running it down to the nearest whole number. So for example, if we have 9.3 or 9.9, we'll get 9. So let's make it double x, and then let's make it 9.3. Okay, but with this one, floor is a function. So we type our floor, and then we can see from the IntelliSense, so we are going to use this one. It's a function. So let's move our 9.3 into it. So now let's display the result x. Okay, so now let's run it. Let's see the output. We have 9. So let's make it 9, and then we still get 9. So when you use the floor, and floor is part of the math library, that's the reason why you can see that the file here is now activated. So let's check whether it's true. Yes, so it means that floor is part of the math library. So now we can also use the ceil here. So we are going to use double of float, so we are going to use ceil, then we get 10. So let's change this to 1, and then let's run it again. We still get 10. So if you use the ceil, then it means that you are running it up to the nearest whole number. Okay, so that's the floor, and then the ceil. So the ceil, we just run it upwards to the nearest whole number, and then the floor will just run it down or downwards to the nearest whole number. So you should know these two. Okay, we have a lot that we can learn under the math operator. So let's look to the how we can use the power in our code. So the power, let's first declare a variable let's make it double pi, and the pi is 3.14. Let's terminate it. Okay, so now with the radius, let's clear a radius here, but we are not going to assign any variable to it. So what we are going to do is we are going to allow the user to enter the radius. Okay, then we terminate it. Okay, so then we can accept the user input as radius here. Okay, so then let's declare another variable int result with nothing. So then result equals pi times power. This is how we use power. Okay, so this is how we use power. So the first one is the value, that's the radius, and then exponent 2. Okay, and it's saying that yes, so this one is a narrow conversion from double to int. Okay, so what we can do is let's display our results. So we can say that our results, so area of a circle with, okay, with radius, then we can have is, okay, so let's run our code. Okay, so let's enter 4. Then it says area of our circle with 4 is 50. Okay, so here, because we are using a pi here, we should have to restrict the pi that the value cannot be changed. Okay, so okay, so now this one, it doesn't mean anything. So now we can, let's change the results to double. Okay, yes, so that in case the answer we get decimals, we can also get the same. So let's run our code again. Let's enter our radius 4. Yes, so now area of a circle with, let's make it radius 4 with radius 4. So let's run our code again. So let's make it 4. Yes, so now area of a circle with radius 4 is 50.24. Okay, so now this is how we can use math library to perform a calculation in C++. Okay, so in case you have any question, you can leave it at the comment section. Any question that you think you want to ask, you can leave it at the comment section. And also, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel, okay, so that anytime we upload a new content, you'll be notified and you never miss any updates from us. And we've also provided our Telegram link channel. Please subscribe to our Telegram channel so that anytime you also update our videos here, you also receive an update of Telegram notifying you that we've added a new course, so you don't need to miss any course from us. And also, if you have any suggestions that can help us to improve on this channel, please can use the channel email link to reach out to us, and we also implement whatever suggestion you give to us. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video. Bye bye.